The 2024 Toyota Sienna Hybrid, the undisputed fuel efficiency champion of the minivan market, conceals its mild-mannered attitude behind a massive mouth and a liberal use of curves and angles designed to set it apart from the minivan standard. But no amount of flashy style can disguise its minivan credentials: dual sliding side doors, a roomy cabin with 3 rows of seating, and a big cargo-swallowing rear tailgate. The ride is well organized, the cabin peaceful, and the facilities refined. But unlike most minivans, the second-row seats are not removable, which may limit the style of some users. The 4th-generation Sienna is only available as a 245 horsepower hybrid with front or all-wheel drive. Though the Sienna Hybrid is economical, with an EPA-estimated 36 miles per gallon combined, 35 for AWD, it is slower than many competitors, and the engine groans in protest under hard acceleration, the drone permeating the otherwise quiet cabin. While the Sienna deserves to be in this tightly packed class, as well as on our 2024 Editor's Choice list, there are a few features we like better about the Chrysler Pacifica, Honda Odyssey, and Kia Carnival. Last year's 25th anniversary package has expired, but the XSE premium trim fills the vacuum. It has leather upholstery, power driver and passenger seats with memory, a power tilt and telescopic wheel with memory, heated side mirrors, puddle lamps, orange highlight stitching, and a few other features. The brilliant wheels on the XSE AWD and Woodland trim have a deeper tint that matches the wheels on the front-wheel drive XSE. Finally, the chromed headlights on the lined XLE models are darkened.